Eagle 2 to Eagle 1.
Eagle 1 copies.
You ready to tear this puppy up?
I was born ready, baby. Day 1 of demolition starts right now.
We're about to rip this up in all its green shag glory. You may have thought the green shag ended there, but you'd be wrong. Let's get it going. Sorry about the voice at the end. Let's go. Ooh, it smells good in here, babe. Whatever you uncovered, I like the smell of that.
It's the Bath & Body Works mold edition.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
All right. What are we, about a half hour in, babe?
Yeah, ish. Right now, I just don't want to do anything that disrupts any of the cables. Obviously, these things are here for a reason. We've got some water piping. It looks like it's going to the water tank here, the fresh water tank. It goes all the way around, so I want to keep this in place. I want to take lots of detailed pictures because in 1979, we can't find the manual, so we're flying by the seat of our pants. So, strong and smart. I was having trouble getting the seatbelts out from underneath the seat, and
I think I found it.
I think we found the issue. There's a nut on the bottom that's securing it in, so I was wondering why my socket wrench was doing nothing, and I think we figured it out. So let's fix this. Okay, baby, so where are we at?
It's just a lot. We knew it was gonna be a lot, but it's like a lot. A lot of rot, a lot of like this is what's hiding behind. That's like the structure. There's a little window to the outside right here, which I don't love. Hello, daylight. But we knew it was gonna be a project, and we're gonna make it work.
Got some of the debris out here, some of it on me, some of it in my lungs. Debris and me.
You, me, and debris. And here's what we got back here. A good first day of working. We got this hutch out. Oh, hello. We got the little dinette out and a good amount of the floor teared up and some walls done. So we're done for the night, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. What we learned.
What did we learn?
You have like literal dirt in your eyeballs.
Well, we learned that there wasn't mold, there is rot, and lots of it. And a lot of it is in there.
I feel like it's gonna be a bigger project than we anticipated.
Yeah, possibly. I think it's going to be more demo than we thought it was going to be.
Fair.
But I don't think it's anything we can't do. Together.
I don't want to kiss you right now. Oh, yeah! So we saw some signs of water damage on this wall, so we took it down, and this is what was behind it.
We were right.
I mean, fully rotted, which is exactly what we were hoping to see. Couldn't have gone better. Ooh, thanks. We're gonna take all this out, get rid of all the rot, and put in all new boards and foam.
So I am feeling crazy, a little frustrated. We had a little mini fire when I was using the angle grinder with some of the old wood. It's just hard to see the end of it. We started out knowing what we got into. This stuff is fixable. It just feels daunting, and I'm tired, and I'm not. And I keep trying to be optimistic, but it's like the undercarriage needs to be resealed, and we'll figure it out.
How do you feel?
I'm afraid that our GoPro, the card wants to format it. It says it's going to delete all the data on it, and has all of our first RV trip that inspired this whole thing, footage from that, and all of our... I just really hope we can salvage it.
We'll take it to someone.
What about you?
It's a long day. I feel really good about being able to get the shag carpet out from underneath the wardrobe in there because...
You did amazing.
Thank you. I just didn't know if that was going to be feasible and like working inside of the drawers, and I just thought we were going to have to like tear out that whole wardrobe and completely rebuild it, and so it's really nice that we don't have to do that. And it's really nice that all the baseboards down there aren't rotted. Like there's definitely sections where we'll have to spot treat it, but some of those baseboards are in good shape.
Yeah. We
can just lay a new kind of floor on top of that existing subfloor and make that work, which feels really good. The things I'm nervous about is the RV caught on fire today. He was using a
angle grinder
on some massive bolts that had the seat belts in the floor, and I was like watching with the fire extinguisher, and it seemed fine, and we walked away, like continued to do other things in the RV, and then I was like, something's smoking. There was like actual flames coming from one of the backboards. We like couldn't get them to go out with the fire extinguisher, but it worked out. We figured it out. You almost stepped through the roof today.
I did. I wasn't going to step through the whole thing. It's aluminum, but it was going to create a big dent.
We realized that the floors are going to need some serious help. They're much worse shape than we thought they were going to be.
So undercarriage fixing, and yeah, the rear of the RV is pretty much, I'd say, the worst part.
Anyway.
Day two.
We're going to go shower. Get back at it again tomorrow.
To go tape an audition at the end of this long day.